G'day guys, Chris from Quest Outdoors. This is the cabin for tent. It's a great tent, 4 people, 2 people really comfortably to be fair, with loads of internal room, good awning out the front at a really nice price and really nice pack size. So the dimensions internally are 240 by 240 centimetres on the floor and internally 185 high. Loads of room inside, loads of height. I can just touch the roof here. I'm not the tallest guy in the world. Very vertical walls, not a traditional dome tent where it really cuts down quite low. Using a steel upright frame system makes it very, very strong. Q-Tex 2000 fly fabric, very waterproof, fully seam sealed, comes with the awning poles for it. We use a heavy duty polyethylene floor, so it's gonna be very, very durable. All our mesh is midgie and sandply proof. 3 large windows on each side at the back here. Loads of storage options. We've got power cord zippers, we've got power cord management systems. One of the problems you get with awnings that normally you put an awning out on poles, that's what happens. So now we've just thought of this, we've got this new little strap, helps water run off and gives a bit more height to it. So there's loads of little details in this tent that make it stand out. Not too big, really quite small, nice carry bag and at a great price. So come and have a look at questoutdoors.com.au or any of our dealers nationwide.